Yeah, because I have like a collection of pins.
Some things I'm like, well, maybe you could use this to fix, you know, like, hold the thing, you know, just use it. Have it hanging. Yeah, so sometimes it, you know, kind of makes something work.
Yeah. No, it's good to have.
It's just too big.
It's good to have the right thing for that one. Yeah.
Where's the brown?
Yeah.
All right, that's fine. Just want to make sure you have it.
Yeah, I know. Sorry. Turn on the fan.
So you got the canopy and all that.
Yeah,
They're
I have
right.
everything.
Just not the bracket itself. Huh. What's that? Oh, but it was a twin star and not a, because you mentioned Fanimation, and they were the ones that had the first double fan. But
Yeah, we have. What was that, Logan? What is that one?
What?
That double fan that you have?
The twin star too.
No, the one that. Logan, what do you?
I'm trying to turn on the fan.
Which one?
The speed pull chain.
Don't.
That one.
Oh, you need to pull that?
Yeah. I don't want to fall. Yeah. Turn. Yeah, it's the very short pull chain.
Yeah, just the connector just failed.
That's high.
Right, first time high, medium, and then low.
Yeah. Medium.
So, if this has got shorter blades on it, it comes with 52-inch in the box. When they first came out with this fan,
What's this
the
model
blades
called?
were in a separate box, and so we put the shorties on there because we didn't want it to hit the other fans. But in the box now,
You like spaced them out pretty good. You like spaced out pretty well. Alright, we can go ahead and turn to the next speed.
that was medium. That'll be low.
Logan, what's that fan you got? Those the two.
The Palisades.
Yeah, the Palisades.
And then
These still a couple of years ago, and they had two Palisades.
Yeah, those are the fans.
next speed.
Right.
$30.
Is the next speed off?
It's like, okay,
$30.
restore. You know the restore, have that restore?
Oh.
They get fans in there,
Oh.
and they happen to have two of them. I
Yeah,
said,
they
okay.
get them for nothing, I guess.
Well, they get them for free. And
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
They get them for nothing,
Yeah.
so it's infinite profit.
Yeah, so basically
Yeah.
the one we went to, they do like $15 a motor, basically. It's like, okay.
Yeah.
So I took it.
Wow.
'Cause, yeah, I thought, oh, what
Alright, can you turn it off now? Please.
1,500 plus,
Right. Exactly.
brand new. It was like, that's
Sir,
what happened.
can you turn the fan off, please? I think that's off, isn't it? Thank goodness it's not hitting the glass. That's a lucky thing.
Well, yeah.
It's very
In
close.
fact, I had to turn this because this can turn, see. So I had to,
Yeah, thank
turn
goodness
it.
it's not hitting.
it would. You gotta hit
Is it hooked up?
just fine. Yeah.
Is that fan gonna hit this one? I don't think it
Well,
could.
the fans that we can turn on don't hit other fans. So there's a lot of fans that just aren't powered. We don't want folks to pull a chain and then dang, 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 you know.
Now you have two